I'm Berthel Archie. I'm a registered nurse. I have a biology and chemistry degree at the baccalaureate level. I have a master's of science in nursing, and I'm also a candidate for my doctorate in nursing. And I practiced in nursing for over 25, 30 years. And I represent the Kent County, Kalamazoo, Muskegon, Michigan National Black Nurses Association, and also my church, First Community AME Church. And I'm making a very strong appeal for African Americans to join the Marrow Registry. I'm sure you know of someone who has cancer. I'm sure you know of someone who has leukemia or lymphoma. Sickle cell persons also can be benefited from having a marrow transplant. Currently, there are 10.5 million people on the Marrow Registry. Only 7% are African Americans. And I'm appealing to my African American brothers and sisters, let us join together to raise that percentage so that there's an increased possibility that a person who is in need would receive a match and be able to have quality of life. Through the efforts of First Community AME Church in the Kent County, Kalamazoo, Muskegon, Michigan National Black Nurses Association, we have been able to add over 4,000 names to the Marrow Registry, either directly or indirectly through our efforts. And many pints of blood have been drawn. And I'm motivated to continue this crusade because I believe in what we're doing. I believe in what Michigan Blood is doing. I believe in what we're all doing to make a difference in the lives of people. And from that perspective, I say to God be the glory for the good things that He has done.